Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here in this video actually I am going to elaborate something on my niche, and that is social media marketing agency. In this video I will be elaborating something on how to run a social media marketing agency and what are the basic steps actually we need to follow to run this. So to run a social media marketing agency, we should have some clients in place so that we can communicate and get them results. So very basic step would be to get clients. Okay, how to get clients? Client is the question. This is our first step. Second step is we should get them signing in. Okay, and third step is we should get them the results, and once they are satisfied we can retain the client and we can do a multifold business afterwards. So first thing is we should get clients, second thing is we should get them signing in, and second thing is we should give results. Okay, so these are the three basic steps. Coming to the first step, actually how to get clients. Nowadays there are a lot of platforms where we can interact and search. We can search some clients and interact with them, like it could be Facebook, it could be Instagram, or it could be LinkedIn. Okay, like those platforms actually we can use to get in touch with some of the clients on our niche. Second step is signing them up. So so before before thinking of running our business, so it is very important that they should at least interact with you, and so that you can convince how to run their business, and they can uh, earn, or they can what uh, they can generate some money. Whatever they are earning now, they double or triple, you can, or 20% or 30% more they can earn by following the principles what you are going to explain them. Okay, so that would be that would be happening just just by contacting them, or we can set up a meeting with them. So like that we can interact with them, and we can convince, we should try them convince, putting a word that we should be very straightforward. Okay, we should not be mingling much with the clients. They can understand that we are faking them, or we are not good enough to run their business. Okay, like that they may think. So we should be very straightforward and honest. And third thing is getting them the results. Okay, let think they trust you, and they signed in with you, and they made a contract with you. But afterwards, if they don't get results, then definitely our image is going down. So to have everything in place, actually we should work hard, and get them the results, and that's how there is a win-win situation. It is for us and it is for the client. So once the client is getting results, even we will get confidence to run marketing agency for a long run. And so this is all about for this video, and I will be explaining everything all with all the points in next video. Till that, be tuned up. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I wanted to thank DDIP uh, members who is participating and making this program successful. It really gives me strength to work upon my niche. And I I am trying to run two websites as of now. One is Bamandev Patra and one is Panchasaka.in. So those are not yet live, but I am going to run it in a full-fledged way. I I and finally I am thankful to uh, Digital Deepak Kanakraju for making very much interactive session. And yeah, that's all for now. Goodbye. Thank you.